knock.
Hello there. Welcome to SunNSand Beach Resort. So today we're going to show you our 2-bedroom apartment. Karibu. Both bedrooms are en suite, and they have this Lamu traditional
It's a Lamu
Swahili bed.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see how high it is.
It's really high.
Yeah, quite high. And the washroom is perfect, spacious, hot showers. There's the closet, so much space again. I feel like this would be perfect for people who live in Mombasa.
Moving on to the kitchen, they had a really massive kitchen with a lot of space and cabinets. But with the package that they have now, it's all inclusive, so you wouldn't really need a kitchen at this moment. But in the future, they have plans of expanding to Airbnbs. The whole area too was very massive, again with the Lamu Mombasa Swahili design, which was really beautiful. But I felt like the space had a lot of potential. They could add other things to the interior design to help beef up the space and make it more attractive. So definitely it looks gorgeous, but definitely it has a lot of room for improvement, but it looks gorgeous in general. I also loved how spacious the balcony was. You can relax here, spend time with your friends and loved ones, and enjoy the sea view even without leaving your apartment.
So, Karibu to the master room. This is we just start with the bathroom. And look how massive this bathroom is. You can literally sleep here.
It's really big.
And my favorite place. The tub.
Yes.
Why is this tub my favorite? Okay, should I get in here and show them that you can actually open this and have a sea view in the tub. So the tub is literally overlooking the bedroom and the sea. So you can, for those girls who love chilling in the tub with their masks on, having some TLC, sipping on some champagne, enjoying the view, this is for you. And the master has a massive closet. Like this, from that end to this end is a closet, basically. And we have the bedroom, and same concept, Lamu bed, same with the other rooms. And we have a little study place here. I love the rustic feel. Balcony with the view. So imagine waking up straight from bed to just enjoy this view.
So aside the 2-bedroom, there are also other types of rooms that you can also check out depending on your number. So you can definitely check out other types of rooms if you want to book. Aside the residences, there's also the resort, which I was taking on a tour too. So the resort had the vintage Mombasa Swahili design. They also had an amazing pool where you can relax, you can swim and enjoy the views of the ocean. The hotel also has a restaurant where different kinds of meals are served on the daily. Some activities you can engage in during your stay include scuba diving, kayaking, snorkeling, and many other activities which are really exciting. So in summary, I would highly recommend the SunNSand Beach Resort and Residences to anyone who's looking to come to Mombasa for a vacation, to relax, spend time with friends and loved ones. You would really enjoy your time here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Share your comments with me and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.